Technological advances have impact and create extreme conditions. We as humans have difficulties keeping up with this. The operational effectiveness is at risk. Royal Netherlands Airforce and TNO created Aeolus to improve human performance under extreme conditions. Focusing on military aerospace, Aeolus contributes to the readiness of pilots, aircrew, and maintenance personnel. How does Aeolus achieve this? It will innovate wearable technology and systems. It will enhance human factors training and simulation with the development of multi-stressor training environments. Our mission is to shorten the innovation cycle, using our high-end multidisciplinary knowledge and our world-class, unmatched facilities with trusted partners. What is Aeolus working on? We are developing a sensing shirt to measure the pilot's physiological status and provide feedback. Non-invasive sensors are integrated into flexible electronics that are printed on the pilot's undergarment. We are working on the next generation oxygen mask, improving the comfort of the pilot. Together with the follow-on development of the helmet for fixed and rotary wing, Aeolus innovates the next-gen life safety equipment items. We have created the world's first hypoxia training environment in a motion simulator. Aeolus will play a key role in the F-35 Pilot Readiness Center in Soesterberg. It will accelerate innovation to improve pilot fitting, training, and testing. The place of choice to take warfighter readiness to the next level. Would you fly the Aeolus way?